Thank you. What?
Yes. I think we are so happy.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Yes. So
the first thing we want to be respected, to appreciate for Ghanaian. He play very good. He have more talent. But you go penalty, you don't have anyone. Anyone can win.
Yeah, but I could see that the first part of the game, I think that Kenyans you are a little bit down. But coming to the second half of the game, I think you just open up a little bit and you are able to capitalize on the
because
wow.
like the Ghanaian have experienced player.
Okay.
If we wanted to open the game, Ghanaian will kill us. Okay. So that's why it was a little bit we want to attack, a little bit we want to defend.
And then I think you are also going to play the finals with Sierra Leone.
Yes.
Yeah. What approach are you going to take?
Yeah, actually the Sierra Leone is my brother. He have talented. We know very good. Like me, I know all the Sierra Leone because we play the same team, like 3 divisions. Okay. So the game will be easy.
All the best.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
Man of the match.
Man of the match.
It was amazing. A nice game. The penalties there, you will be a game, as you know. The organizers nice. They showcase talent.
Okay, to show them say next year, no.
Of course,
you never know. Ghana captain,
Yabua.
and they gave no one to say. Game in the night, you say, have luck on our side. Initially, next time, see it as the first half, because you need the ball to us so and right game and then so I think that most of the players they are bread. In Kenya, so I'm resting in your one this year. Do you try to Bia say can be to me to Biano and the best player for this match.
I am very flattered because I had a very good defense and I had a very good defensive midfield. That is why football is a teamwork, and we thank God that we managed to play quite well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Classic.
Okay, yeah, we have a fellow here, that's the Kenya right winger. Yeah, that's the right winger. How do you say it? Well, the game was nice, we started like really hard, and then we got one chance and they scored us, but we had the ball the whole match. So, but we missed so many chances, so, but we just came through and scored one right. Yeah, that's right. Now we are meeting, I think, Sierra Leone tomorrow. Okay, so perhaps we'll find out. Well, I don't say anything. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Actually, one or two questions. So far, what's your impression about the tournament?
From the point of view of the organizer, the tournament, I think that it's been we got some good feedback. Of course, there's still some stuff to improve in that sense, but we're hoping that together with all the information involved. But actually, I think it's been a good atmosphere in general. Players trying to enjoy themselves and people coming to watch, enjoying themselves. So
yeah, that's right. We understand tomorrow is the final. Yes. So what are you expecting?
well, I expect us to have first of all a good, clean game. Like everybody enjoy, and then I expect a lot more people coming. I mean, we still have we have a lot of people, but hopefully that we have a good, clean game first, and that people actually enjoy themselves first, and then after that, whoever the better, just the winner win. So that's good.
Every organization has motive behind organizing such events. So can you tell us one or two words your motive behind this event?
Yeah, the reason behind this tournament is actually get community work, basically trying to get the different communities to come together, especially after the coronavirus pandemic, and then people were indoor for a long time. So basically, go out there and just basically release that energy that they keep in. So that was the basic of it. But now the long run is actually to have a multicultural community that we can all enjoy and then to improve, and also from that try to create a link for working life for our brothers who don't have a work. So there's this link that they have to put this link.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you, and thank you for your time.